So guys, once again, welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers. And in this particular video, we are in the PAWS Airdrop, and we are quickly going to talk about the PAWS Airdrop that is going to go live tomorrow. Why are they going live? PAWS has decided to reveal themselves, to reveal who they are, and I feel that this is very, very important to the community, and that is why we are going to be talking about it in this particular video. I'm going to be telling you how important it is, and I'm going to be telling you so many things regarding it. So this video is going to be very, very informative, and that is why I feel that you should watch each and every bit of this video without forwarding it, so that you understand every single thing regarding what I'm about to share. But before we go into today's video, please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. We are heading towards 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, if I just take you to their official Telegram channel, you are going to see this particular post right here. And PAWS just made it this evening. They made this post and they said, PAWS getting on air. I know many of you have said so many things. A lot of people, there are a lot of controversies surrounding PAWS right now. A lot of people believe that this project is scam. A lot of people believe that it is fake. It is not going to pay out at the end of the day because of so many things that have been happening, especially the issue of their account that has constantly been banned on X. Let me just tell you that this is a well constructed and planned act against the PAWS airdrop, and I believe that those who orchestrated this kind of scheme against PAWS are actually behind it, and they have seen that PAWS is going to make a huge impact in the cryptocurrency industry, and they want to hinder that. So they are fighting them tooth and teeth to make sure that it do not happen. So guys, now PAWS has told us something right here, and they said that they are going to go on air. It is going to answer so many things that so many people and the community have been having in mind. And then if you look at this picture right here, you're going to see so many things right here. Right here, I'm still going to mention it as we read right there. You see PAWS, you see a live logo here, you see Solana, you see BLUM, and other projects right here as they are being mentioned. Now let's quickly go into look at what they said there. They say tune in for a special stream as PAWS takes the main stage, hosted by Dude. Now, what is this Dude? I'm going to come back to it, but remember they featured this particular Dude project in their task session. I think a few days back. Yes, a few days back they featured them, and they are right here now organizing a live stream for PAWS. And then look at what they say there. Dudes on the stream. So you see, that is that. And then future projects, there are other projects that will be featured in that particular live stream tomorrow, and PAWS is one of it, the Giga is one of it, and then the Bullpen is one of it. I'm going to tell you who are these people as we proceed. And then the BLUM crypto is also part of it. You guys already know BLUM crypto, you already know the founder. Do you think that a whole mighty BLUM will not partner with PAWS if PAWS was actually a scam, or if it was going to be that kind of project that most of us are thinking right now? If they are having lapses don't mean that they are scam, or they are not going to pay out, or they are this and that. No, 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 that is not it. Another key thing I want you to note here is this. Look at this. They say massive prices up for joining. So joining what? Joining that live stream. So there will be prizes for joining that live stream. So the reason this is actually one of the main reasons why I decided to make this video. I didn't even want to make video initially, but when I saw these massive prices for the for joining, I decided that let me share it with the community, so that if there is anyone who is interested, they can join, and who knows, you might also partake in this prize award right here. And then if you look at the time, you're going to see February 11th slash 11 a.m. And that's the time you say log in. So they are going to give in more details as time goes by. Before that, before this particular time, I believe that they will give us the streaming link and all those information that we actually need. And this is going to be happening on X. It is going to be happening on X. So all your questions, every question that the community have been having, I believe that they are going to have a session that will be for question and answer, and all your questions will be answered. And that is why it is very, very important that you partake in this particular live stream tomorrow. Make sure you are there. If you have questions that you lack answers, you don't have answers, you are worried about, you are thinking and wondering what they are up to, make sure that you are in that live session, so that you can partake and understand most of those things. Now, several Solana projects contributors will be present on the live stream. Like one of it is this Giga right here. So Giga Chat, it is a meme coin. It is a meme coin on Solana, and it is currently ranked 153rd in the market, with a market cap of about, I think it should be around 330 million dollars. As at the last time I checked it, I can't have access to my coin market cap because I'm not using my main phone right here. I could have shown you, but that is the information. You can go and verify it. And then we have the BLUM. It is a verified trading platform on Telegram linked to Solana blockchain, guys. This I'm talking about, this one right here. So that is what this one is all about. It is a verified trading platform on Telegram. So now, the last thing they mentioned here is the BLUM. You already know BLUM crypto. And then the dudes right there is a meme coin too. This one right here that is organizing the live stream. It is a meme coin set to launch on the Solana blockchain. And you know, PAWS is also going to be launched on the Solana blockchain. So all these projects majorly, except uh BLUM for now, they are BLUM, that is BLUM and BLUM. All of them are on Solana. All of them are working around Solana. And you know that most of the DePIN projects right now that are listing on Solana have been so far doing greatly, guys. So doing greatly. So if you have logged into your BLUM app recently, you would have noticed that they have made a quest, that is a task, about this particular dude, and they also directly referred this particular event that PAWS is announcing right here. So the event will be happening tomorrow, Tuesday, February 11th. So at 11 a.m. East time right here, as you can see. So guys, that is that, and that is the information I wanted to share with you. And I want to make sure that my community, please, every opportunity you see to make money, make sure that you seize that opportunity to make the money. If it is not money, if it is not money, let it be that something is coming in. So you have heard that they have mentioned prices here, and this is the key reason why I wanted you to engage in this particular event. So make sure that you do that. Always make sure that you visit the comment section or the description section of my videos, because they are verified and very, very good projects that I leave in the comment section of my videos, which I feel that you should partake in. Some of them are the pin projects, some of them are Telegram mining bot, but in all we are after is the money. And if Telegram is not giving us, we have to look for it in other places. So make sure that you go there and then find out, and make sure that you engage. See, for you to make money, you in this crypto space, you have to keep clicking. You have to keep clicking and keep clicking again, and click again until you click the money out into your bank account. That is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. So please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be one of the first to get updates from my channel. So guys, that will be all for now. Thank you so much. See you in my next